Ready to ditch the financial stress and take control of your money? Today, we're diving into Quicken Simplifi, one of the simplest, yet most powerful budgeting tools. And I'll walk you through the initial setup, step by step, so you can manage your money like a pro. First, let's link your accounts. Simplifi supports thousands of banks and credit unions. Tap Connect Account, search for your institution, and carefully enter your login credentials. Simplifi uses bank-level security, so your information is protected. Next, Simplifi automatically categorizes your transactions, but it's important to review them. Tap on a transaction to change its category to something more specific, like restaurants or groceries. This is crucial for accurate tracking. The more you do this, the better Simplifi will understand your spending. Now, let's set up spending watch lists. These are like mini budgets that help you keep an eye on specific spending areas. Maybe you want to limit your dining out each month. Just tap on spending watch list, create your target amount, and see how your actual spending compares. Finally, let's set those financial goals. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or paying off debt, Simplifi makes it easy. Tap the Goals tab, enter your goal details, and Simplifi will show you exactly how much you need to save each month and visually track your progress. Take a moment to explore the customization options in the settings. You can change the app's theme, set up alerts for when you're nearing your watch list limits, and personalize your Simplifi experience. Now you're set to conquer your financial goals. So go forth and budget.